The person you are calling is not answering. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you? कैसे हो सब लोग?
ठीक है.
Wait for 2 minutes, huh?
बोलना properly. Arya, properly.
हाँ, ये करें.
Good afternoon, Arya. Afternoon. Listening? हा कोण मुलगा आहे?
हे दुसरे.
का बरं हा काय करतोय?
तो हात घालतोय. नाही, चॉकलेट.
काय डुईंग?
चॉकलेट खातो.
टीचरचा आवाज येत नाही सना.
आता ती काय तरी कपडे घालत असेल.
तू दिसतेस का?
दिसते की ते.
दिसतेस ना? तिचा आवाज का नाही येत आहे?
Oh, hello.
तुमच्याच क्लास मधला What are you doing? What is this? Why?
Afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon.
Everyone. Okay, so how's everybody? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good.
Beta. Good afternoon.
Teacher.
Good afternoon. How's everybody? Good? Enjoy your weekend? Saturday, Sunday enjoy किया सबने? Yes? Okay, kids. So let us start our day with prayers now. Okay, so everybody please stand up and fold your hands. All the kids please stand up and fold your hands.
ओ बाहेर या जरा. हे ऐकत नाही.
Everyone,
Hold your
let's
hands.
start the prayers. Please put yourself on mute. Who is on unmute, please mute yourself. Please put the call on mute. Okay, thank you. Let us start. Good morning, God. This is your day.
Good morning, God.
I am your child.
I am child. I am my
Show me the way.
Show me the way.
Very good. Please rub your palms like this. Fast, 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 fast. Very nice. Okay, now put it on your eyes and open your eyes. Very nice. Clap your hands, all of you. Please clap your hands loudly. Yes. Loudly. Very good. Okay, now do a little bit of jogging with me like this. खड़े हो जाओ. Everybody stand up and do jogging like this. करो करो. Do a little bit of jogging, running at the same place. Do like this, okay? ऐसे करो jogging. Very nice. Good job. Yes, very good. Okay, now do jumping. Jumping karo. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Okay, थोड़ा सा jumping करो और थोड़ी देर jump करो. Yes, very nice. Okay, good. Okay, now raise your hands. Raise your hands and shake your hands. Shake it. Shake your hands. Very good. Now bend down and now shake your hands. ऐसे shake करो, bend down. Very good. Now put hands on your waist and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Raise your hands and bend towards your right side. 1, straight. 2, straight. 3, straight. 4, straight. 5, straight. 6, straight. 7, straight. 8, straight. 9, straight. And the last one, 10. Very nice. Everybody clap for each other and clap for yourself also. Clap loudly. Very good. Okay, now everyone please sit down. सब लोग बैठ जाओ अभी. Please sit down. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Okay. So everybody settle down. सब लोग settle down हो गए? Drink water. थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी sip करो. Drink little bit of water, all of you. Okay?
आतू पाणी द्या.
वॉटर सांगितलं.
Yeah. Drink
खिचट लागली.
water. Okay. If everybody is ready with the class, okay? चलो अभी रेडी है सब लोग. अगर रेडी हो तो इसे thumbs up दिखाओ. Show me a thumbs up if you're ready. Good job. Very nice.
Thumbs up.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, kids. Now today we are going to learn something new. Okay, what is it? क्या सीखेंगे आज हम? We will learn about numbers today. Now you've already done numbers till 15. आपने 1, 5, 15 तक सीखा है ना counting? Yes? Let us revise it once. Okay, let us revise the counting. Then we'll learn a new number today. Now see which number is. Can you tell me, Anj? Can you tell me which number is this? 1.
Which number? Which number?
And see, we have what over here? We have one duck over here. Count the duck. 1. Very good. Now, 2. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Yes, you are right, beta. Number 2. Now see how many flowers you have over here. Can you count the flowers? 1, 2. 1, 2. We don't have to do the counting. Just recognize the number which I'm showing you. And everybody put yourself on mute. I will ask one kid. Okay, fine. Let us do it that way. Because then it's going to be more organized and less noisy. Okay, so everybody please put yourself on mute. I'm going to take the name of the child and the child will answer. Okay, Sanaya, mute. Everybody on mute, please. सनाया म्यूट कर दो बेटा. मम्मा को बुला के बोलो म्यूट लगाएंगे. Okay, very nice. Now see who is going to answer this one. Ishwari, can you tell me which number is this, Ishwari? 3. Very good.
Three.
Over here. Okay. Very good, Ishwari. Now, see, I'm going to make something for you. Do you like ice creams, Ishwari? आपको आइसक्रीम अच्छी लगती है बेटा?
मम्मी फोन. Yes.
आपको अच्छी लगती है? Like it? Yes. Even I like it. Ice cream. Even I like ice cream. Okay, Ishwari. Let us count how many ice creams are these. Can you count and tell me? 1, 2, 3. Very good. These are 3 ice creams. So number 3. Very nice. Now let us move on to the number. Who is going to answer this? Okay. Sarvatnya, can you tell me which number is this, Sarvatnya? Only Sarvatnya. Only Sarvatnya. Can you tell me which number is this, beta? Four. 4. Okay, see 4. Now let us do the counting over here. What else do you like? Who is talking? Please put yourself on mute, beta. There is some kid who's talking. Please put yourself on mute. The class gets disturbed like that. Who is it? Raghav, mute kar do beta. Please put yourself on mute, Raghav. Yes, Raghav, mute karo. Who else is on unmute? राघव म्यूट का बटन दबा दो. नीचे एक माइक का बटन बना हुआ है, उस पे प्रेस करोगे तो आप म्यूट हो जाओगे. ओके, उसको प्रेस कर दो और अपने आप को म्यूट कर दो. ओके राघव. Now see, we are going to count 4 now. Now I am going to draw something over here and you have to count and tell me. See, I have got flowers for you. Lokeshwari, please unmute and count these flowers. How many flowers do I have, Lokeshwari?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice, Lokeshwari. We've got 4 flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4. How many flowers?
4.
Okay. Yes, very good, beta. Please put yourself on mute. Okay, now let me move to the next. Irshita, can you tell me which number is this? Irshita, can you tell me?
5.
Very nice. 5. Excellent, Irshita. Now let us do the counting here. Is anybody else? Lokeshwari, mute कर दो बेटा. आपकी chance हो गई है ना. अब आप mute कर दो बाबू. Okay, let Irshita answer. Irshita, we are going to draw something over here and you have to tell me how many leaves are there. Okay.
मम्मी अभी टिफिन में नहीं खाऊंगी क्योंकि अभी पढ़ाई चल रहा है. थोड़ी मेकअप नहीं आती.
Okay, Irshita, tell me how many leaves are there. Can you count the leaves?
Count करो.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Just count the leaves. Khali leaves count. 1. Say with me. 1, 2,
2. एक और
3,
4,
5.
5.
5. So how many leaves are there? 5 leaves.
5.
1 leaf, 2 leaf, 3 leaf, 4, and then 5. I have 5 leaves. Okay. Okay. Let me go to the next kid now.
क्यों बनाते हैं?
Yuk, आप मुझे बताओ. Yuk, please tell me. Unmute yourself, Yuk, and tell me which number is this. Very nice, beta. Very good. This is number 6.
6 number.
Okay. Now let me see. Do you like balls, Yuk? आपको balls अच्छे लगते हैं?
बॉल करना क्या?
Yes, बोल.
Like ball? खेलते हो ना ball से bat and ball? Yes. तो चलो let us count how many balls are there. Okay.
ये बॉल है.
Now I'm going to draw the balls and आप count करना. Okay.
ये बॉल है.
बोल बता.
Yes, you are right. Very nice, Yuk. You are right. This is the ball.
वो बोला.
Okay, चलो let us count.
Count कर.
चलो counting करके बताओ.
1,
How many balls
2,
are there?
3, 4, 5, 6,
बस.
Very nice.
2, 3, 4, 5,
3,
1, 2,
4,
3, 4, 5,
5,
5, 6.
Okay, so how many balls are there? There are 6 balls. Okay, there are 6 balls. Okay, now let us go to the next number. There is some kid who is on unmute and is answering. The other kid is also answering. Please सब लोग म्यूट कर दो बेटा. जब आपकी टर्न आएगी तभी आंसर करना. मैं सबसे पूछूंगी एक एक करके. लास्ट एवरी किड सबकी टर्न आएगी. ओके बट किसी को भी दूसरे की टर्न में आंसर नहीं करना.
टीचर मुझे
आप म्यूट करके अपनी मम्मा को बताओ. ओके सबकी टर्न में एक एक करके बिकॉज सबको चांस मिलना चाहिए ना बोलने का. राइट एवरीबडी शुड गेट अ चांस टू गिव द आंसर. यस. Okay, now Kavya, you tell me which number is this, Kavya?
7.
Very nice. And this is 7. Okay, now let us count over here. To make.
मम्मी आवाज नहीं सुना रहा.
See, we are going to make this triangle.
ऐसा बात ज्यादा पढ़ा मैंने कभी भी नहीं आया.
राघव म्यूट करो बेटा. आपकी आवाज आ रही है क्लास में एंड डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. आप म्यूट का बटन लगा दो बेटा. इधर नीचे एक माइक का बटन बना हुआ है. माइक जैसा बटन. उस पे प्रेस करोगे आप उसके ऊपर फिंगर से ऐसे करो तो म्यूट हो जाएगा. आप म्यूट हो जाओगे. राघव आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? कैन यू लिसन टू मी? ओके सो नीचे देखो एक बटन बना हुआ है जिसके नीचे म्यूट लिखा है. उस पे ऐसा फिंगर से प्रेस करो तो आप म्यूट हो जाओगे. ओके ट्राई करो. नीचे का बटन प्रेस करके म्यूट होके या फिर क्वाइटली बैठो. ओके टिल द टाइम द अदर किड इज आंसरिंग. ओके राघव.
Yes.
Okay, Barhanuddin. Now, who was counting? I'm so sorry. किसका turn था अभी? Who was answering me? किसने? हाँ, काव्या. Yes, Kavya. Are you there, बेटा? Is Kavya there? Okay, Kavya. Let us count the triangle. Okay, Kavya. Can you tell me how many triangles are there? Please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. Very good. There are 7 triangles. I will count and show you. Who is singing? Who is singing? Baba, I am from so long. Please put Anvisha, why are you on unmute, Babu? आप unmute पे क्यों हो बेटा? Is it your turn? नहीं ना? Mute करो चलो. चलो good girl. Mute yourself. Mute पे बैठो. Unmute नहीं करना है जब तक टीचर नहीं बोलेगी. Mute नहीं हटाना है. ओके फिर पता है क्या होता है? पूरी क्लास डिस्टर्ब होती है. ओके सो म्यूट करके बैठो. अपना म्यूट का बटन प्रेस करो नीचे से फिंगर से. मम्मा से बोलो. शी विल म्यूट यू. Okay, now Kavya is answering. Please let only Kavya answer. Nobody else will answer. I don't want any other kid to do counting. When Kavya is counting, आप counting कर सकते हो, पर mute पे counting करनी है. आपकी आवाज आती है तो काव्या को नहीं समझ आता वो क्या बोले फिर. Okay, yes, Kavya, please answer. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So how many triangles are there? There are 7 triangles. Okay, very good, Kavya. Everybody, now, Kavya, put yourself on mute. Okay. Okay, Anvesha, chalo, you answer me now. Tell me, Anvesha, which number is this?
8.
Very good. This is number 8. Okay, now let me make something for you. Circles.
C, 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 C.
Who is that? Who is saying C, C, C? Who is that?
Hey, baby.
Who is saying C, C, C? Who is saying that? Please raise your hand. Tell me who is saying that C, C, C. आपको म्यूट करके जो बोलना है आप बोलो, लेकिन अनम्यूट करके मत बोलो प्लीज, क्लास डिस्टर्ब होती है. ओके, या तो आप म्यूट पे रहो या फिर चुप होके बैठो बिल्कुल. ओके अन्वेषा, टेल मी बेटा, हाउ मेनी सर्कल्स आर देयर?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8 circles. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many circles are there? 8 circles. Okay, Anvesha?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, Farhanuddin. Can you tell me which number is Farhanuddin?
5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Which? I'm yes.
9.
Okay, let us make
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
very good.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, so
5, 6,
2, 3,
8,
4,
7.
5, 7, 8, and we make one more. Sorry, 8 and then 9. Okay, let us count. 1,
Count.
2, 3,
3,
4,
5, 6,
5,
7,
6,
8,
7,
9,
8,
10.
9.
टीचर बरोबर बोलायचं. किती आईस्क्रीम कॅन्डी काढले?
9. Okay,
9.
fine. Okay,
Teacher,
now who is left? Let me see. Tanaya. Okay, Tanaya. So Tanaya, can you tell me which number is this?
काय सनाया?
Tanaya. Tell me which number? 10. Very good. This is number 10. Okay, so let us make something with number 10. Let us count it. Please, okay? One,
Hey.
3, 2. ये सब counting करते रहो. 2,
ए काउंट.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
count with me. Count with me, okay?
11, 12.
4,
टीचर बरोबर. टीचर सोबत करायचं.
4. Tanaya say 4.
4.
Who else is with Tanaya. There is some other kid who is Tanaya is saying and somebody is also answering. Who is answering other than Tanaya?
Tanaya.
Tanaya? Oh, Tanaya. I asked Tanaya. Tanaya, not Sanaya. Sanaya, I'll ask you after Tanaya. Okay, let her answer, then I'll come to you. Okay, beta? There is a confusion. Only let Tanaya answer, then I'll come to you. Okay, Sanaya? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, count with me. 5.
बराबर काउंट कर.
1, 2,
तिकडे बघ.
3,
Then 7.
4.
After that, 8.
टीचर 8 बोलते.
And then 1, 2, 3.
चल.
10. Now let us count these trees. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many trees? 10 trees. Very good. Very good. Put yourself on mute. पहले mute कर लो अपने आप को. Is Tanaya? Put yourself on. Thank you, beta. Now Sanaya. Sanaya, you answer now. Okay, Sanaya. Now you have to tell me which number is this, Sanaya.
11.
Very good, 11. So let us make 11. Okay, चलो अभी हम 11 बनाते हैं. क्या बनाए हम? आइसक्रीम cones. You like ice cream, right? So we will make 11 ice cream cones. 1. Okay, then after that, मेरे साथ साथ counting कर लो. 2. 2. Say with me. 2.
2,
Then after that, 3.
3,
4.
4,
5.
5,
Then after that, 6.
7,
7. Very nice.
9, 10,
9. 10.
10,
And then 11. So how many cones have I made? 11 cones. Let us count again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10, and then 11.
11,
Okay, 11 ice creams. Okay,
11 ice cream.
very good, beta. Very nice. Excellent. Very good. Put yourself on mute. Raghav, अब आप मुझे बताओ. Which number is this, Raghav? 12. Unmute करो. आपका mute है. Mute हटाओ. Mute हटाओ बेटा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आएगी इसमें. 12. Okay, now we are going to count what? 12 balls. Okay, let us count 12 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many balls? 12 balls. Very good. Now, इशिता है, इशिता आपने आंसर किया था ना? यू हैव आंसर्ड. अविर्शा हैज नॉट आंसर्ड. ओके अविर्शा, आप बताओ मुझे. चलो, टेल मी व्हिच नंबर इज दिस?
3.
Very good. 13. 1 1 3 13. Okay, let us draw pencils. आप पेंसिल से चलो हम crayons बनाते हैं. Pencils नहीं, we'll make crayons. Okay, so 1
1, 2,
2
3, 4,
3 4 5. मेरे साथ साथ काउंटिंग करते रहो. 6.
6,
I hope it is visible to you. 7 8.
8,
Then 9 10
10,
11 12 and 13. So see, we have crayons. जिससे आप coloring करते हो crayons. Let us count it. 1 2
1, 2,
बोलते रहो.
4,
3
7,
4
7, 8, 9, 10,
7. Very good.
12, 13, 14,
10 11 12 13. जब 13 पे आएगा आपको स्टॉप हो जाना है. जब ये कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे 13. ओके, वेरी गुड अविर्शा. नाउ सबका हो गया. इज एनीबॉडी लेफ्ट? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड.
Yes, Aryan left, ma'am.
Okay, I'm coming to you. Yes, tell me now. Just give me 1 minute. Tell me which number is this, beta?
14.
14. So let us do the counting. Okay. So let us make your candies, which is your favorite, right? पर ज़्यादा candies नहीं खाते हैं, सबको मालूम है ना? 1. Say with me. Aryan. 1 2 3. Everybody has to say. जब आर्यन काउंटिंग करते हैं तो आपको भी काउंटिंग करनी है, पर म्यूट पे रख के. म्यूट हटा के नहीं करनी है. ओनली आर्यन विल काउंट ऑन अनम्यूट. ओके. 1 2 3. बोलो. 4
4,
5
5,
6
6,
7
7,
8
8,
9
9,
10
10,
11
11,
12
12,
13
14,
14.
14.
Let us count again. 1. आप
1,
काउंटिंग करो. चलो. Yes.
1,
इधर देख के करो बोर्ड पे. 2 3
4,
बोलो मेरे साथ. 4
4,
5 6 7 8. बोलो मेरे साथ आर्यन. 8.
8,
वेरी गुड बेटा. 9
9,
9 10 11
11,
12 12. Very good Aryan. 13
13, 14,
14.
14.
Very good Aryan. So we have 14 candies. Okay, very good Aryan. Now only one number is left. Everybody has answered, right? Okay. Now Shivansh, can you tell me which number is this?
1, 5, 15.
Very good, excellent बेटा. So Shivansh, चलो हम इसके objects बना के counting करते हैं. We are going to make flowers, okay? So 1. Let me make it like this. 1. Okay, 1.
1,
Then count करके साथ साथ 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12, 13, 14,
14, and then last one is 15. 15. Okay, let us count again. 1,
1, 2,
3, 4.
5,
तो काउंटिंग करनी है आर्यन के साथ साथ. आई एम सो सॉरी, शिवांश के साथ साथ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
11,
12,
13, 14, 16, 15, 17.
वेरी गुड शिवांश, वेरी नाइस. ओके, सो ये नंबर्स तो 15 तक तो आपने ऑलरेडी किए हैं. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न वन न्यू नंबर. आज हम खाली उसको देखेंगे और कल हम उसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सो 15 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? विच इज दैट न्यू नंबर? इट इज 1, 6, 16. एवरीबडी से विद मी. 1, 6, 16. Which number comes after 15? 1, 6, 16. Say with me. वेरी केयरफुली देखो बोर्ड की तरफ. टीचर ने क्या लिखा है? 1 लिखा है और 6 लिखा है. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. ओके, नाउ देखो अब हम नीचे काउंटिंग करके हम बनाते हैं. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू मेक नाउ? लेट अस मेक क्रिसमस ट्री. ओके, या फिर we'll take simpler object. Let us make a square because 1, say with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, एंड जो आज हमने नया नंबर सीखा है 16. ओके, 1, 6, 16. So how many squares are there? 1, 1, 6, 16. Okay, we'll end over here today. We are going to do this again tomorrow. We'll continue this. कल हम वापस से इसी चीज को कंटिन्यू करेंगे और हम लिखना सीखेंगे और काउंटिंग भी. Okay, fine. So we'll continue with number 16 tomorrow. Okay, everybody. So आज आपका कोई होमवर्क नहीं होगा. आप जो आपके पुराने नंबर्स है 1 to 15 उनको वापस से लिखना, मैं आपको यही होमवर्क दूंगी that you have to write the numbers 1 to 15 1 to 15 again. 16 नहीं लिखना, only 1 to 15 and we'll do number 16 writing tomorrow. Okay, fine. कल हम 16 लिखना सीखेंगे. चलो, now we'll end the day over here. Everybody please stand up, all of you. Please stand up and fold your hands. And say with me, thank you, God. The world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Okay, now close your eyes and say, God bless my mummy, my daddy, and my teachers. Okay, very nice. Now everybody please stand up for the national anthem. Hands by your side. Okay, and stand straight. Now put yourself on mute, all of you. 1, 2, 3, start. Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Ujjwal Jal Taranga तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay, very nice. Bye bye. Now who was on unmute? There was
Bye.
unmute पर है.
Bye.
बाय बच्चे. अभी नेशनल एंथम होगा तो म्यूट पे रख के करना है. ओके, किसी को भी अनम्यूट नहीं करना है. ओके, बाय बाय ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय.